हेलो। हाँ, पता नहीं क्यों पिछला स्ट्रीम ऑटोमेटिक डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था। तो वापस हम लोगों ने चालू कर दिया। हम लोग क्या इम्प्लीमेंट करने वाले थे कि हम लोग को रिलेटिव पाथ चेंज डायरेक्टली इम्प्लीमेंट करना है। तो चेंज डायरेक्टली इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए what we do is we have to check the first that it is a relative or absolute. For absolute we already done, but for relative we have to do. Handling the relative is uh, quite challenging. So what we do is what we will do for relative and absolute. First, let me check that what is the uh, first item. If item is equal to double dot, no, not like this. Let me create a match. Match will be a perfect for this match item. And if item is double dot, then if what is saying wild card entry, we will add it, bro. No worry. We're done. Um, let's go. Um, if double dot and one is single dot. If single dot and double dot, single dot for uh, going back and relative uh, and dot for current directory. So when the first we need to check what is the current directory, right? For this, and if the current directory exists, for that we first one minute. I need to check one thing for sure that what happen if the we write something like this dot dot double dot slash double dot dot. No, we are not in a something. Let's go now. We will see what happen. Double dot slash uh, ABC, something like that, which is not exist. So they print like okay. So what we do is cd double dot slash what is in a folder we can go. Just a minute. What we can go in a AI folder. Let's say AI. Will it work? Yeah, it is working. So we can do this. If the path is not exist, Wait a minute. Uh, is Just a minute. I want to check on that if we find that that is a relative path, right? So why do we do this? We don't need to do this, right? Just a minute. Let me check if it is working or not for me. Just a minute. What we do is that I give the any variable name. I don't care about naming for now. Let's with the path uh, new and that what is just a minute new and we give the relative path. Will it taken or not? I am not sure. I think it will work, right? So what we do is giving the argument itself. Isn't it right or wrong? I don't know, but maybe uh, this will be the okay. Let me check if P exists. In short, if the path exists, what we do is we set the path. Uh, um, in a first place, let me get the path first. Just a minute. Let me print it out. What is in that we get? Um, what we get in this? So let me check. Okay, now let's go. Cargo run, and what we do is cd dot slash src slash that's it. It printing the relative path. What should be the output for the relative path? Let me check. What is this doing for a relative path? Uh, oh, I think I did something wrong. Maybe uh, cd colon does not exist path. CD colon path does not exist. That's how we print. Okay, so what we do, we cd colon argument no such a file or react, right? This is the statement. So what we do is that we currently have to do only for absolute var, and I was thinking for a relative var also. So that's not the case. So we what we do first commit it in first place. So let's go code crafter code. Sorry, that's not what the hell I am doing. Code crafters. What is happening here? There. Now what we do is committing the code first. For this is the for absolute path. Cd command absolute path. I really uh, didn't think to check first what challenge says. I just did it. No, I think this will work or test case. If test case fail, then I go know what is wrong or what is right. Uh, Expected from dollar, but this just a minute. Expected dollar From where this is getting your program dollar expected prompt dollar but received. Okay, we have to give a space here, right? Just a minute. Now it's work. Hi, hello guys. Anyone here? No. I don't know why previous stream was disconnected. Uh, what is happening here? Uh, it says, okay, we have to print the colon. I removed it, thought it is unnecessary, but we need it. So let's edit it again. And now let's check. Are you guys even not watching the stream? Sorry, I am not live. Yeah, it's completed, guys. It's completed. Our case is passed. So marking this as a state complete. Now view next state. Now we have to implement relative one. So here we can check what is happening. So path dot move. What path provide actually? Let's see uh, what path actually provide. How many things. What ancestor will do? Ancestor produce an iterate or path and ancestor will yield the path that is returned if the parent method is the used zero or more time is the parent method. We don't need sorry. We don't what I am doing is mutable OS string components display and with exist extension file and file prefix has root is absolute directory join metadata parent directory link start with path buff. What it do to path buff to string velocity try exist and with box clamp and something max mean that's not found fmt has type id I that's what I don't want this one. Where is uh, what ancestor do I mean? Is there anything to convert relative part to absolute path or something? Eh, return the canonical absolute form of the path with or intermediate component normalized symbolically resolved. Uh, what it do? Let me check what it gives me at x we provide to x. And what we do is let's print x dot as this is the result. Okay, x dot okay dot unwrap. Let's see what happened here. What will it print? Cd dot dot slash AI. Yeah, it's working. So this is working, right? Hmm. Cd dot dot. What happened? This right. This is working. I this is what I want. So what we do is let's assign this value to uh, new current directory, right? We assign this value to current directory. So we go with the x dot okay. What is x dot okay dot unwrap and done. Guys, let's comment it out and nice. Let me check what is happening here. This should be work. Okay. If not, then we will see what happening. Okay. Let's go with this. I know that I am doing something wrong, but what I don't know. I currently just trying to learn the Rust and let's go with it. I'm just not showing the face of mine. Just a minute. What happened? Our code is failed. Look like your code failed to compile. Why? Yeah. Now it should work. Um, built-in home directory. Yeah, we already implemented this also, but here it is just giving some wrong input. Why temp apple dot mango. Why why not worked here? What is the issue? Just let me check me. Just let me check. Dot slash. What is the current directory first? Let me check. Okay, this is the current directory. Okay, so cd dot slash. We go to the src slash. This is the working properly. Then why they here it not work? What was the issue? Let me uh, create something like this. also, so we know what is the issue. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I know what happened. That he go first CD temp Apple, right? Then it create PWD. What we done is that we created a path from arguments, right? So for that, I know what is, but I have to debug properly. I don't know can we solve it or not. I think I don't know how to complete this much challenge. I doing challenge the first time. That's also alive. I even don't know how to complete this whole challenge. I fear to not completing it. Our current methodology is absolutely sick. See how much code is this. I need to reconfigure it. I don't need to do for Windows actually. I am doing wrong. I don't need to do this for Windows because we are not the command which we are using. I mean, challenge. It is using Linux. So why should we bother about this? Let me remove all the thing. But we have to do because the error is here. we have to handle change directory node, right? And this is the default. We can't we do uh, for this we can write this in a function, right? So what we do is let me create the function for what is this? This is for executing the programs, right? Let function execute program, and we taking the arguments. What arguments we are taking? The command, and the second parameter will be um, what we are using command and arguments, right? So we let's say ask, and for ask, execute program, command, first, word, and where we give arguments, right? And here we do command, and here we give ask. So we simplify this function execute program. Now um, what we do is we don't need this Windows program. We have to add this because other than that it will give me the error. Or else what we can do is let me create this, right? And now I don't need this. And what to do is here. I don't know if the we can rerun the test case or not. Now let me remove this also. Is command is used. Yeah. So our program is now very small. So it's done already. Now what we do is we done this already. So ignoring this, now we have to check type, right? So let me take this in a different function. Function check type. Command type. Let's give that a command type. Check command type. What we will do? Wow, that we move this code to there. So what we needed as an external. First, let me move it here so we can know what is the missing or what is not. It's done and do the link. So here the needed final CMD is here. S. It need S. So first we check what is S. S is a string. So str C and D we write str string. It is a string. So we do the string and here what we do is cmd and now let's go with where we using that. Yeah, here we using, so we do check command type and in here we pass s. Ignore the naming convention for now. Here we printing the current directory, so there is that is not a issue anyway, and this is also not the issue. So we ignoring this and this grid. Now we have to go here change directory. For a change directory, what we needed is let's go check uh, function change directory. So change directory, what we do, let's take this all and put it here. So it's done. Let me format it first. So we need a clear view of full code. So we don't need this as of now, and we needed arguments and current directory, right? So what we do is arguments needed. Sorry, arguments and first let me use change directory is here. So we change directory arguments is a part. So here it comes. What is an argument state? Okay, got it. So what we give the type here. So this is the type of the what we will receive. So it's done. And now need a current directory and home directory. For current directory and home directory, we need to change the uh, current directory itself. So what I have to give is let's give me the time, just a minute. we what we need to give is current directory and home directory. Home directory isn't going to change, so we give home directory as it is. And second command is the current directory. We give a reference. Okay, current directory. So right. Let's come here and we give a home directory and let me give this path buffer and for current directory let me give the path buffer but relate. So what it's saying, oh, name is different. So what we do is now it's what is saying inside a borrowing here. Uh, borrow is there is something borrow. So what is the error? Yeah. Mhm. Okay. If do like this, will it work? Yeah, it is working. Um, now there is something. Um, okay, we can do this side, I think, right? Yeah. So it is working, right? We don't need dollar now. No, there is an error. Okay, yeah, sorry, I forgot. Uh, what is saying X dot Why we have to print this? We just need the current date, right? So it is working. I don't need to print it. I don't need to print it, sorry. And this one is also not needed now. So we remove it, and that's how we handle relating path. No, no, no. One thing is the problem here, that what was the issue? Again, let me check. I forgot. There is a error first. Let me solve it. What is the issue here? Mismatch type. Uh, considering what it's saying. We can pass this also. I don't know. We can pass like it. We can pass the reference also. No, we can pass reference, right? Or not. Uh, Let me check if we pass the reference, will it work or not? Just a minute. Where is the issue? Let me home directory dot to. Yeah, it will work. Now it's right. Now let me check. Is there any guy? Hi guys. What screen you are seeing? Is it right screen? Yeah, it is right screen. So again, I am saying what I am doing currently. What we are trying to resolve this challenge, which is uh, from Code Crafter, and we are doing this challenge, which is free for this month. So we already done this all in a live previous lives. We are currently doing this challenge. Um, it already done in the this two is already done. Now we are doing this relative path. So that's it. Our test case is failing. What is happening here is actually that let's say I am what is our logic first? We Let me share you my logic. What was I done? So we take the argument, and from argument we check the first character. What is the first character? If the first character is a tilde sign, we assign the current directory as a tilde sign. And if the first character is a slash, so from slash we consider it as a absolute path. So absolute path we uh, just print it out if it exists. If not, then we showing this line that this command is not exist. So then we handle a relative path. For relative paths, we checking that it is starting from dot or not. So if um, it's starting from dot, then it is a relative path. So from that we get the command, and we just get the path, and from path we can get that it is exist or not, and what is canonical lies is doing that it give me the absolute path of that from relative path, so we get that. But what is the issue why the test case is not failing, that if our directory is changed in a time strawberry, and now the current directory is strawberry, right? Now if we do a grape and mango, so our directory should check a stamp strawberry and grape mango, then this should be printed. But what happened in our case, that uh, in our case what happened is uh, that our what we say, our arguments and this global value is not uh, changing as expected, because uh, we um, taking the argument from command line, and we process it as it is. That's why first let me debug it first, from where this is happening. Actually I don't know myself, so if there is any query please let me know. If you think something about it. So let me first clear my screen and let me check what is the issue here. Um, we get the argument, and what is the argument here? That our dot slash, okay, and let me check now what is the issue. So what we do is um, let me go cd dot slash, we go here, so enter. Now sorry. First let's go dot slash, no sorry, we go to double dot slash, and let me check pwd. This is what it is, okay. So now cd dot slash ai slash should work, right? This is giving me the that value which is currently is there. That's why our program is uh, not behaving as expected. Here it should work. It goes to the AI, but it is not going. So what? Where is the mistake happening? Um, let's say if the argument is pwd, pwd is printing the current directory, right? And from its perspective, we are changing the directive from arguments, right? Mm, as a arguments perspective, we we have we handled this? No, we didn't handle it. Yeah, what are we doing? Um, there is a mistake, guys. Um, not the mistake. Just a minute, just a minute. The logic mistaking here. It is the path new arguments, right? So what is the inner conclusion? Yeah, here it is wrong. So what we do is if the relative path is there, then what we do is um, just a minute. Let me check if to test double dot test bar. Okay. So we do. Um, I got it. Uh, what was we need a not home directory but current directory. So what we do is let's here add the current directory plus arguments. Will it work or not? Uh, what it's saying mutable path buffer and the string is not assignable. Okay, no problem. We create to str. Now it should work or not. Then we have to str what it's saying. Okay, dot unwrap. Now create an owned string from a reference to what are you fuck is nonsense. What we do is to string uh, lossy and for this to string. Now what has a problem? Yeah, now it is good or not? Oh, fuck. What has a problem? Cannot download string download. What is suggesting? Okay, let's do this. Rust compiler suggesting this. Okay, will it work? No. Then why you suggesting me? Contemporary value top while top that are using late binding to create a longer lived value. For what? I- I'm mistaking something or I am missing something. I definitely doing something wrong. Uh, Concatenation is there. Add what is there? We can do we append, not append. Current directory join. Join is there. We can use this. Uh, what we was doing, I forgot. Uh, what was I was doing? Yeah, uh, yeah, argue. What is the issue? Consider borrowing here. What the hell? Yeah. Hmm, fine. Now what is the issue? That's why we do this. But giving me the error. What we do? If we do this now? Now we can do or not? Just a minute. If this is the problem, then what we do is current directory dot clone and use this y and let's $y. Um, it's still consider using late binding. What is the late binding? That's what we do. What is the value? Consider using late binding. What it means actually? हाँ हाय इतने सारे चैट आ गए क्या सॉरी गाइस हेलो मेरी क्रिसमस हाय ब्रो नथिंग ब्रो इट इज अ code craft challenge I am showing to you this is a code craft challenge you can go and try yourself it has many different category to create something unique like interpreter, Redis, app. Uh, it provide many uh, different challenges to create your own system. Currently, there is a build your own sale is free for this month, so you can go and try it yourself and just explore, learn. I am doing this in Rust because I want to learn that language. I absolutely no idea how Rust work, and if I do just without living, I mean बिना लाइव के मैं करूंगा ना, मैं छोड़ दूंगा बीच में ही, या फिर मैं दूसरे में पकड़ लूंगा। ये लाइव है तो मेरे को पता है कि क्या करना है, मतलब रोज करना ही है, सब देख रहे हैं मेरे को, तो मेरे को ये कंप्लीट करना ही है ऐसा। नहीं तो मैं ये कब का छोड़ चुका होता मेरे को। मैं कमिटमेंट नहीं दे पाता जल्दी। सो दिस इज अ वे आई एम डूइंग दैट। I still committed to complete it. पता नहीं तुमको दिख रहा है क्रोम? सो ये पीपी क्या है भाई? देख लिया भाई चैट को। कोई था नहीं व्यू में तो मैंने छोड़ दिया था। मैं अपना कोड कर रहा था तब तक। कोई बात नहीं, मैंने देख लिया। और किसी को कोड बात करनी है या फिर से मैं कोड में चल जाऊं? कोड में ही जाता हूँ अभी, देखेंगे बाद में। पहले हम लोग को सॉल्व करना ही है। सॉरी, मेरे को जानना था पहले। This error we are going to check what is the problem. To create new string with a toString, but don't give it a variable to live in. Then sold as reference. Okay, there is something like as reference. Let me as ref. As ref. This is also not working. I am definitely doing something wrong. I don't know what is the wrong here. Hi guys, मैं अभी चैट देख रहा हूँ भाई। तुम लोग कह रहे थे चैट नहीं देख रहा। कोई था ही नहीं, मैं इसलिए मैं चैट नहीं देख रहा था चलो कोई नहीं, कोई कमेंट है नहीं ना, तो मैं वापस पे जाता हूँ। सो आर्ग्यूमेंट मेरे को ज्वाइन करना है, पर ये ज्वाइन करने नहीं दे रहा। व्हाट वी डू? व्हाट इफ आई डू लाइक this will work or not? And let's do this. Yeah, this will work. So we can't give the directly. We have to create a variable so it will work. So now our path is joined. and path is created, and let me check it is working or not. Sorry, let it check. And are you guys here? भाई किसी को लग रहा हो चैट नहीं देख रहे हैं, तो अभी देखा है मैंने सबको। सो सॉरी। मेरा ऊपर नहीं चलता चैट, इसीलिए मेरे को नहीं पता होता कि कौन चैट कर रहा है कौन नहीं। मैं स्क्रीन जब चेंज करता हूँ तब पता चलता है कि किसी का चैट आया, यूट्यूब में जाता हूँ तो। So our test case is already passed, guys. So our test case is done. So it is completed maybe. Let me check. Resume building. Yeah, it completed. So we marking this stage complete, and now we go with the built-in home directory. It is already we did here as a home directory. So I think it should pass the test case. Let me check. The code crafter has a unique thing to record your progress. When you commit it in a Git, then it already what we say, it knows that you completed this challenge, and it update in a website also. So that's how it works. Now we completed navigation path. Now we moving toward quoting. I don't know how we will do this. We have to handle lot of things, but I think I can do this. Let's go. So for let's me first check what is written here. In this stage, you will implement support. We know disable all special meaning for a character enclosed within them. Every character between single quote is treated literally. When your cell parts a command line, character inside quote, including escape character and potential special character like lose their special meaning and are treated as a normal character. Okay. Oh. Uh, For cat command, I think I didn't implement it in a proper way. For cat command, where is the cat command? Sorry, that the cat command is a built-in function, right? So we don't need to do this. Just we have to uh, what we have to do is let me check now what happen if we run the test case. What is the challenge name? Challenge name is single quotes. So let's go with the single quote. Let's see what happened. We have to check our special characters. We have to handle special characters also. So nice. So we have to check echo command properly. For echo command, uh, what we are doing is a trim. So instead of trim, uh, no, we can't do remove white spaces. We have to put as it is. So what happening in our test cases? Let me check again. What happened in our test case? That it expect world hello printed, but our printing it as a let me check here first. So the if there is a special character, then instead of space, if there is a special character, we have to remove it. But is it limited to the only this, or we have to remove all these um, just implemented for the single quote now, for now? Just a minute. What we do is that's final value. There is a display. No, it is only for path, so we can't use that. Uh, what we do, what we can do is what happen if there is a, space before and after it. Let me check now in a Linux system. So we got to know what happened if there is a space. Hello, space world, right? What it printing? It consider the space also. So we have to keep in mind also. What if we just print hello world? It print as it is. What happen if we do dollar hello? Why dollar hello? Okay. Maybe dollar path. Let me check. Just a minute. Path. No, I think this is the variable, no? Right? So the variable has a special meaning. Just a minute. But it didn't say for a variable, so currently we are ignoring it. Uh, we have to just focus on a single port for now, and we don't need to trim. We are trimming here now, so we don't need to trim the value. Command first one, then we trim for command. Okay, and here we don't need to trim. So what we do here is, and uh, we can't split off also. No? Can we find and replace? Um, yeah, we can do this something like this. So let me do. If will it work or not, I don't know, but let me do it. X equal to No, 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 no. Find is not a way. Find is not a way. Map. There is no map. Characters. Yeah, there is a characters for each. Yeah, for each. No, we not want to map. Yeah, map is there. So for map, what we do is if uh, can we write a full result? Maybe we can do. Just a minute. We can do. Yes, I think we can do fully. If the character is a single quote, sorry, single quote. I don't know I am doing right or not, but what it's saying, character, okay, like this, right? Expected character found. How to print, how to do this? Use single quote. Okay, tilted sign. Let me create a tilted sign then. Tilted sign says, will it work? No. We remove this. Will it work? How we write in this? Mm, unique code look like a single code, but it not. Keyframe accent look like a single code, but it's not. Okay, no problem. We can copy from here. So what we do? Is there a comment any? No. Thank you for not commenting for now. Uh, that is also not working. Uh, let's go with the Google first. For what we do is remove the parenthesis. Where is where I write the parenthesis? I didn't write any parenthesis. We can do something like this. No. How to do? If we do something like this, this will not work. Will it work? Yeah, it's working. Hey, it's working. It's working. It's working. We didn't need this. And now, uh, what we do is if there is the this option, we assign this only empty. We can do no. We can remove this character from the text. Can we remove it anyway? There is an option to remove this else. Return X. Okay. What we do is x does not equal to, then we return else, but it will give me the error for the uh, we have to give the character, but what character we can do give to this? If we can't give the, that's a tricky question for me also. Anyone, are you know anything about this? How to do? Hmm, if character mapping is okay, we have to remove the Unicodes. So, is isn't there any method available for a string? Let me check. S dot Unicode, escape Unicode. There, there is a escape Unicode. Uh, escape Unicode. Let me print this. What happened if we do final value um, escape Unicode, right? Let's me, will it work? Yeah, it will work. Just a minute, let me check if it is working or not. Echo says hello, sorry, not here, cargo, uh, echo say not hello. That's not what we want. That is not uh, escape Unicode to string. Now let's check. I thought it will work, but now just a minute. What happened now? What it print? It still printing. Why is this? This is a string, na? Escape Unicode. In uh, no problem. We can know what uh, is the word. I think 27. 27 is for a single quote. What is the time happening now? Oh, guys, sorry, I have to go now. Nothing, bro. Just learning and doing anything for now. Actually, I have to say again that I am doing Code Crafter Challenge. This build your own self. That's it for now. I am just exploring the rest, and I don't want to talk as of now. Mm, escape Unicode. How to. um, There should be a thing to remove this. What clear will do? Let me check. Remove all content. No, this is not what we want. Character indices, character contains, train. What is train? Train is remove the range up until the data from the string. Alpha is alpha. And there is nothing. Encode UTF-16. Okay, that is useful, but not here. And with ignore ASCII case. Okay, that is very useful, but not here. Escape debug, escape default, escape Unicode. Yeah, but wait a minute. This is what we don't done, isn't it? Is it already done? And the result is printing like this, which we don't want. Uh, let's use now. Um, I have to check usage of this. Just a minute. Where is my browser? Okay, got it. Escape Unicode. Then rest. Escape debug. Speaking hurt emoji str. Escaping the sparkling hurt emoji in a string. Mm, 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 removing characters. Less. That is something is there. I forgot. String replace. Why I don't come in my mind that we can use this. And what is the argument for this? Okay, but I am not sure will it work or not. Let me check from slash not dot to empty. Now will it work? Maybe. Check it. Let's check. Should work maybe. Just a minute. Echo. Hello world. Yeah, it worked. It worked. And now let me check if test cases is passing or not. This is a fucking stupid thing. I did. How I can forget to use replace? Hmm, that's a fucking. So I didn't use index, right? Now there is a problem. What is the issue here? Line does not match expected value. Expected hello world issue. What? Pro eco doesn't trim the value. Why should I trim? But it has a demand to trim, so we have to trim. Why? Yeah, there is a problem. So what we do is we have to create a new value. Uh, final value. What the fuck I am doing? Who name this like this? Just stupid thing. Final value. Final value. Uh, Now it should work. That's the highest watching I have on 233 views total. That's a good number, but I don't think anyone should watch me. I'm fucking stupid. What the hell? If that's how it doesn't work like this. As a white space is being ASCII to let's go with ASCII. Yeah, literally you can check if I do hello world for your context, hello world. Let me put hello world, right? And I do spacing here. It will print space also, no? But why I have a solution for this? Let go with the solution then. I can't. Um, where is um, what was I forgot the just a minute. Yeah, there is a split ASCII white space. Then what we do is dot join with the space split dot